Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 3rd Subject English.
Good morning student, welcome to 3rd standard English class. Already finished unit 2. Okay, today we are going to see the topic a little mistake. Unit 3, a little mistake. Okay, first I read the poem. Listen. I learned my tables over and backwards and forwards too. And I could not remember 6 times 9, so I did not know what to do. Till my sister told me to play with my doll and not bother my head. If you call your doll 54 for a while, you will learn it by heart. She said. Okay, so I I took my favorite Mary and thought it a dreadful shame to give such a perfectly lovely doll such a perfectly horrible name, and I call her my dear little 54. 100 times still I knew the answer to 6 times 9 as well as the answer to 2 times 2. Next day, Elizabeth and Brinkelsworth, who always act so proud, said 6 times 9 is 52. And I nearly laughed aloud, but I wish I had not when teacher said, "Now, Dorothy, tell if you can," and I thought of my doll, and so I said 6 times 9 is Mary Ann. Okay, listen. Summary of the poem. Dorothy was trying to memorize her 6 time table, but she not backwards and forwards too. Okay, but she could not remember the 6 times 9. Her sister told her to take a break and play with her dolls. Dorothy's sister told her that if she called her doll 54. Okay, clear? She would be able to memorize 6 times 9. 6 times 9. Dorothy thought it was a tearful name to call her doll 54, but she said and still she had learned 6 times 9 by heart. 6 times 9 by heart. The next day, proud Elizabeth and Brinkelsworth said 6 times 9 in 52. In 52. The nearly laughed aloud. I wish the teacher when teacher said. Okay. Dorothy nearly laughed out, but when her teacher asked the was a 6 times 9 is she's answer Mary Ann. She's answer Mary Ann. Okay. Next, the poet could not remember how much 6 times lines is. How times 6 times lines is. She suggests she called her doll 54 a while now because she thought it a horrible name for a lovely doll. Okay student, next unit 3 poem a little mistake. Answer the following question. Okay, first question, what would the poet not remember? Answer, the poet could not remember how much 6 times 9 is. How much 6 times 9 is. Second question, what suggestions did the poet's sister give to remember 6 times 9? Answer, she suggested she called it all 54 for a while. 54 for a while. Third question, did the poet like calling her favorite doll by the name Y? Answer, no, because she thought it a horrible name for her lovely doll. Okay student, homework, poem, read the poem and answer the following questions. Study. Okay, thank you.